In this video, I'm going to share with you how to build your business just by posting on social media. Let's get started. We're going to go right inside of our NowSite app, and then we're going to go to the post on social media section, which is step 1. And you're going to click on create new. In this section, you can do all kinds of different posts, from getting a caption and suggested image, to captioning your own image, to captioning your own videos for TikTok or Instagram Reels, doing short text only posts. But for this, we're going to do a caption and suggested image. Now, we want to post about our business, and we've created business profiles. So what you can do here is in the post settings section, you're going to click on edit and then click on business profiles. Now you can have as many business profiles as you'd like, and you can create them on desktop or your laptop. So I'm going to choose to post about the Look Good Challenge. So I'm going to click here and then click on update and save my post settings. And it asks, what do I want my post to be about? So I'm going to say getting fit with friends is fun. And then here I can just click to generate. And this is a great post about the Look Good Challenge in my voice with great emojis. So it says, hey everyone, let's talk about the power of getting fit with our friends. There's nothing quite like the camaraderie and support we can give each other, especially when we're on a journey to better ourselves. With the Look Good Challenge, not only do we get to share laughs and milestones, but we also empower ourselves with nutrition, fitness, and mindset coaching that transforms us inside and out. Imagine the stories we'll tell. Let's embark on this journey together and make lifelong memories. Join me in the challenge and let's become the best version of ourselves. And I get some great hashtags too. So this is entirely in my voice about the Look Good Challenge, which is awesome here, but it's optimized for Facebook. I can go ahead and change it at the top to optimize it for Instagram, which is awesome. I love the beginning here, very Insta friendly with squad goals, just got a serious upgrade. You can see the tone change again for LinkedIn, and it's all about like kind of a more business style tone, different emojis here as well. And then we have it optimized for X, formerly known as Twitter. But this is how easy it is to build your business and post on social media. Let's go ahead and post. So I'm going to go ahead and post on Instagram, and I'm going to click on post, and I just follow the directions that are here. So I'm going to copy, the text is now copied to my clipboard and my image is downloaded. I'm just going to go to the social platform and create a new post. So let's do it together. I'm going to click on post. It's going to open up Instagram. And here I'm going to add my image. And I'm going to click on next. Next. And then I just paste the caption here. And now I have a great business post to help me build my business on social media. Thanks so much for watching.